Have you ever wondered why some people wake up every morning with more money in their bank account? They weren't working overnight. They didn't answer emails. They didn't chase new customers. Their businesses kept earning while they were sleeping. The surprising part? Most of these businesses aren't exciting at all. They're simple. They're boring. And that's exactly why so few people pay attention to them. Today, we're counting down 20 boring businesses that can quietly build long-term wealth. Stay until the end because the number one business isn't just another idea. It's a principle that can completely change how you think about making money. Let's get started. Business 20, commercial window cleaning. At first glance, window cleaning doesn't look like a business that creates wealth. But commercial buildings, hospitals, hotels, and office towers all need clean windows throughout the year. Instead of finding new customers every week, many companies sign yearly contracts. That means predictable monthly income. You don't have to climb buildings yourself. Hire trained workers, manage the business, and focus on winning more contracts. Sometimes, the businesses people ignore become the ones with the least competition. Business 19, pressure washing. Pressure washing is another simple business that solves a problem everyone can see. Dirty driveways, parking lots, storefronts, and office buildings always need cleaning. The smartest owners don't depend on one-time jobs. They offer monthly or yearly maintenance plans. Instead of constantly searching for customers, they build long-term relationships. Those relationships create steady income month after month. Business 18, portable restroom rentals. This probably isn't anyone's dream business. But construction sites, festivals, concerts, and outdoor events all need portable restrooms. Once you buy the units, you can rent them out again and again. The same equipment keeps generating income for years. The lesson is simple. If a business feels uncomfortable or unattractive, fewer people want to compete in it. Less competition often creates bigger opportunities. Business 17, vending machines. Modern vending machines are much smarter than they used to be. They accept cards, track inventory, and many can even be monitored from your phone. But the real secret isn't the machine. It's the location. A vending machine inside a busy office, school, factory, or gym can generate consistent income every month. Many owners hire someone else to refill the machines, making the business almost hands-free. Business 16, ATM business. Think about the last time someone needed cash quickly. That's exactly why ATM businesses work. Place a machine inside a busy store, bar, laundromat, or gas station, and every transaction earns you a small fee. One machine may not seem impressive, but several machines in great locations can create a reliable stream of passive income. One location, two income streams, and very little extra work when paired with a vending machine. Business 15, bookkeeping services. Most small business owners are great at what they do, but many hate dealing with numbers. They don't enjoy tracking expenses, organizing invoices, or preparing financial records. That's where a bookkeeping business comes in. With just a laptop and the right skills, you can help multiple businesses stay organized. At the same time, you'll earn recurring monthly income from long-term clients. Business 14, residential commercial cleaning. Cleaning may not sound exciting, but it's one of the most reliable businesses you can own. Homes, offices, medical clinics, schools, and retail stores all need professional cleaning services. The smartest business owners focus on recurring customers. Weekly or monthly cleaning contracts create predictable cash flow. Keeping an existing customer is almost always easier than finding a new one. Business 13, pest control. No one likes dealing with insects or rodents. That's exactly why this business stays busy all year. Restaurants, hotels, apartment buildings, and homeowners all need regular pest control. Many companies schedule monthly inspections and treatments. That means customers continue paying long after the first visit. Instead of selling something people want, you're solving a problem they need fixed immediately. Business 12, laundromats. A laundromat is one of the simplest business models in the world. People always need clean clothes, no matter what the economy looks like. Modern laundromats require very little daily management. Customers do most of the work themselves. Many owners also add vending machines, snack stations, or ATMs. One business with multiple income streams. That's smart business. Business 11, self-storage facilities. People keep buying more things, but their homes aren't getting bigger. That's why self-storage businesses continue growing every year. Families, college students, and online businesses all need extra storage space. Once customers move their belongings in, many keep renting the same unit for months or even years. Long-term customers create predictable monthly income. That's exactly what every successful business owner wants: steady recurring revenue. Business 10, equipment rental. Think about expensive tools like excavators, scaffolding, concrete mixers, or professional lawn equipment. Most people don't need to own them. They only need them for a few days. That's where equipment rental becomes a powerful business. You buy the equipment once, then rent it out again and again. Over time, one machine can earn many times more than its original cost. Instead of selling products, you're selling access. Business 9, sports card reselling. At first, collecting sports cards sounds like a hobby, but for many people, it's a serious business. They buy collections at low prices, identify valuable cards, grade their condition, then sell them for a profit. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from knowledge, patience, and consistency. When you understand the market better than most people, even small opportunities can turn into steady income. Business 8, small parts manufacturing. Every factory depends on thousands of small parts: screws, plastic pieces, metal brackets, tiny components that most people never notice. Large manufacturers often ignore small custom orders because they're not worth their time. That's where smaller businesses step in. By producing specialized parts for local industries, they build long-term relationships with companies that order the same products month after month. Sometimes, the smallest products create the biggest opportunities. Business 7, software for small businesses. You don't need to build the next Facebook or Instagram to make money. Many small businesses simply need software that makes their daily work easier. It could be appointment scheduling, inventory tracking, employee management, or customer invoicing. When your software saves business owners time, they'll gladly pay a monthly subscription. The goal isn't creating something revolutionary. The goal is solving one problem really well. Business 6, smart home EV installation services. Technology is changing the way people live. More homeowners are installing smart security systems, smart lighting, and electric vehicle chargers. That creates a huge opportunity for electricians who specialize in modern technology. Instead of offering general electrical work, they focus on a growing market. With less competition and higher prices, specialization is often the fastest way to increase your income. People don't mind paying more when they know you're an expert. Business 5, commercial plumbing. Plumbing problems can't wait. A restaurant with a broken pipe can lose thousands of dollars in a single day. That's why commercial plumbers often charge premium prices. The smartest ones don't work with everyone. They specialize in restaurants, hotels, or office buildings and build long-term maintenance contracts. When you become the expert in one industry, customers stop looking for the cheapest option. They look for the most reliable one. Business 4, parking lots. This may be one of the simplest businesses on the list. You don't manufacture anything. You don't keep inventory. You don't need a large team. If your parking lot is in a busy location, people will pay every single day for convenience. Sometimes, owning the right piece of land is all it takes to create consistent monthly income. The business isn't about cars. It's about location. Business 3, service franchises. Starting a business from scratch is risky. A franchise gives you something many new businesses don't have: a proven system. Customers already know the business. Training is already available. The marketing has already been tested. Instead of guessing what works, you're following a business model that has already succeeded in hundreds of locations. Sometimes, success isn't about creating something new. It's about executing a proven system better than others. Business 2, buying an existing business. Here's something many people never consider. Instead of building a business, buy one that's already making money. A cleaning company, a laundromat, a storage business, or a pest control company. These businesses already have customers, employees, and cash flow. Instead of spending years hoping your idea works, you're investing in something that has already proven itself. You're not buying a dream. You're buying results. Business 1, businesses with recurring revenue. The best business isn't defined by what it sells. It's defined by how often customers pay. A business that earns money only once will always require more selling. But a business with monthly subscriptions, service contracts, memberships, rentals, or maintenance plans keeps generating income long after the first sale. That's the real secret behind financial freedom. Successful business owners don't chase customers every month. They build systems that bring customers back again and again. Studio microphone ending CTA. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Which of these businesses surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, the businesses that build the most wealth aren't always the most exciting. They're the ones that keep creating value year after year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.